Welcome to our new school broadcasting channel. We are excited to bring you regular updates on all the current events happening in our school community.
Whether it's highlighting students' achievement, sharing important announcements, or covering exciting activities, our goal is to keep everyone informed and connected.
We believe that staying up to date fosters a stronger community and enhances our school spirit.
Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to share many activities and exciting stories with you.
The province has experienced some typhoons this week. Let's see if it has affected our school. Typhoon guys.
Hi everyone, we're grateful to share that the typhoon that recently passed by Guangzhou nearly missed us, and we're all safe. While we had to adapt to 2 days of homeschooling, it was a valuable change of scenery.
Our teachers worked hard to upload tasks onto ManageBack, ensuring that we could continue our learning from home. We hope you all found the time productive and look forward to gathering back into the classroom soon. Stay safe and see you all soon.
So the school is having a break for a week, and let's see what's all about.
As we approach Golden Week here in China, we have a wonderful opportunity to take a short break from our studies.
This week is not just about relaxation and spending time with family and friends. It is also a great time to reflect on our learning and catch up on any schoolwork we might need to review.
So whether you are traveling,
Enjoying local festivities,
or just relaxing at home, make the most of this time.
We look forward to seeing you all back in class.
Recharged and ready to learn. Happy
Golden Week!